So guys, I was looking for an extension cord about 5 feet, 3 feet long, something like that. I couldn't find one at Harbor Freight. This is a 10-foot. That's too long for what I'm looking for. So I am going to cut this one in half and make a shorter one, so that one I'll have an extra one. So what I have to make it, you know, shorter, I also picked these up right here. This is the male plug connector for one end, and this is the female plug connector for the other end. So that way I'm making two extension cords out of one. So I'm gonna cut this real quick. Let me untie this right now. All right, so let's go ahead and unplug this. Let me find the middle. All right, so the middle is about here. My fingers are at. I'm gonna cut right there. I'm gonna mark it right around here. That's where I'm gonna cut, and I'll be right back. Okay, I found my Doyle Electrical Scissors. I'm gonna cut these. Let's see how well these cut this type of cord. Cut right here. There you go. Nice and clean. Doyle. I bought these a while back. These are pretty good. Inox HRC 56, I think it says there. Anyway, so now I have two cords here. Much better. I don't need it that long, like I said. And I have to decide. I'm gonna decide which end am I gonna use. This one is for this one. Okay. And this one goes here. So let's get these two together, guys. Here we go. So we got the male plug connector. We're gonna connect it on the end of this to the end of that. Let's open this up. And let's not make this video too long. Here we go. Let's open this up. All right. According to the instructions, 1 inch long. So we're gonna measure 1 inch down. And this magic marker was picked up from Harbor Freight, and I like them. It has an anti-roll ridge. It says it right there, anti-roll ridge. What a beauty! What a beauty! 1 inch down. Right there, right? And this is where we are going to strip off. Okay, so actually, as a matter of fact, let me do this different. Instead of cutting right here, bringing it down, let me do this different. Let me get my Swiss Army knife. Okay, let's do this one different. Got my Swiss Army knife here. So that way I don't damage the inside wires. Let's just cut straight down. All right, this is another trick. Up to the line, right? And then we're gonna cut across. And we are going to, it says measure 3/8 inches. Let's do 3/8 inches. Where's my marker? Marker right here. 3/8 inches. And we are going to measure, like it says, 3/8 inches, right? Get closer. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, right there. All right. Okay, so let's get go ahead and get my wire strippers, 16. So we got 22, 18, 10, 12, 16. Where the mark is at. The mark is somewhere right there. Come on. Sometimes get hard to get this right there. Here you go. Right there. Perfect. Strip, strip, strip. Next, it's gonna be, just to do this right, let's go ahead and put it right here. And this one is gonna be the same thing, just about here. All right. By the way, that sound that you hear in the background, it is the drip drop from the AC upstairs. I have an AC, and right above my AC, there they have the AC on, and it's just dripping water on my AC. Okay, that's that. See how it grabs it, then it pulls it right apart, just like that. Okay, so let's just turn these, twist it up, and let's open these up right here. Okay, all right, here we go. Let me just open this up. Got that one, that one. Take this out, take these apart, and let's do these right here. Take these apart. Alrighty, now we're gonna take this end. Let me take this out the way. Put this right through here, just like that. We're gonna take these. We're gonna put the green. Okay, so you got the hot, the black, the white neutral, and the green ground. Let's just put this together, twist it up again, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these up just a tad bit. So let me get my screwdriver. Okay, so we're gonna open up each one just a tad bit, and what we want to do is put the plug, I mean the stripped cables right in there, guys. Okay, all right, just a tiny bit. Okay, there you go. All right, so like I said, you're gonna put it right in here. So I'm just opening it up a little bit. Okay, so what you want to do is, let's see, take the green one, put it inside. Now let's put it right over here. That way when it tightens, it goes in there. Okay, so we're going to tighten this up. Sometimes it feels like I need a third hand. Tighten it to at least hold it in place. Definitely don't over tighten it, guys. Alright, so that's that one. It could get a little cumbersome because you have to like move things around, you know, the cables around and stuff. There you go. This one has more space. I'm gonna get the hot to the brass right there. Hold it in place. And then twist this one together. And we are going to put the white wire to this one right here. But I have to open this more. Okay. All right. We're gonna put this right in here. Sometimes it could get a little difficult. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this is basically it, guys. This is what it looks like. Just like that. Don't over tighten it, guys, because you will strip off the brass pieces in there. Oh boy, how come this looks messy in the bottom here? Yeah, this one looks messy. I'm gonna have to take this one apart. Nice and snug, not over tightened. And the white one. And that's it, guys. So now you put this back together like so, but you gotta match up the tab. Make sure you match up the tab. I'll show you. This tab right here. See this tab right here? This one right here. You gotta match it up with this right here. Right? Just like that. There you go. Bingo bango. Now you want to put the screws back in. I like to go backwards just to seat it first. And then put the other one. Go backwards first to seat it. You feel it or hear it. There you go. I felt it. Let me do it again. There you go. I felt it right there. Right? Sometimes you don't feel it at all. It's kind of hard. There you go. And let me just use my handy dandy DeWalt. I don't like to fully seat it in there with this because I don't want to strip it. There you go. All right. And just tighten it up a tad bit. And that's it on that. Put these back on. It's gonna clamp it in place. See that? That's why it won't be able to pull out, because these two right here will hold it in place. And actually, it doesn't really matter if you put this one here, the male part here, or here, because everything fits nice anyway. So perfect. Okay, now it's just a matter of getting these screws back in here. Where's my other? There it is. All right, make sure that it seats in place. There you go. I heard it and felt it. And then put this one. There you go. Okay. Tighten it up a little bit with this. And tighten up this one. Like I said, don't over tighten it. And there you go, guys. Perfect Vanguard connector. Male plug connector. And that is how you connect and shorten an extension cord. See how it's nice and snug right here? That's not going anywhere. Tinga, that's not going anywhere. That is not going anywhere. Like my buddy from First Class Amateur says, that's not going anywhere. There you go. Have a great day, guys.
Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about. Like, share, and follow, you know what to do. With every new video, there's something for you. Tip by tip, we'll show you the way, bringing inspiration for your DIY day. Whether it's fixing or crafting something grand, with us you'll learn, we'll lend you a hand. Every blade shines, every tool is your friend. Join this community, let's build